Juju Dhau, guys. This is so famous in Nepal and people love consuming it, guys. So this is from Hadigaun. Hadigaun.
I think yes.
Let's try it.
Hadigaun.
Hadigaun. Yes, mom. Mom is saying Hadigaun. Yes, let's try it. Hadigaun. I just finished it, guys. Nepali special halu. Chop. Chop. Chop or
Aloo chop.
Aloo chop.
C-H-O-P, chop.
Aloo chop. Inside is aloo, guys.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's nice. What is the outer part they kept on? Masala?
I think that one. The one which is made from chana, that one.
Okay.
Besan.